Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, who's developed techniques using pressure points. The previous episode covered more techniques to escape being gripped tightly by one arm. These can be very useful, so don't miss out if you haven't watched it.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master of Muay Thai Academy. Today we have a basic and simple technique using the love handles. When you begin bare hack from the front, right? This will be the frontal position, or you're against the wall and the person is right on you, right? You know where the love handles are placed, right above the waist here, right? Now you need to hold like a clip. The fingers form like a clip. Dig right under the love handles and then lift it up. You can see the body rising up automatically. When this lift is happening, he releases, his breath goes off and he releases the handle. Release the hold, I mean to say. Then you can have multiple variation of attacks you want to do. It's a very simple, and everybody know where the love handles are. People who don't know, you have it here, all right? You see, you duck like this and gently, all right, okay? Right, it's very painful, so he just wanted to, so you gently squeeze, gets the body going. See? All right, sorry. All right, I hope you had a good view how to use the love handle for your defense. Now let me request Ganesh and Smita to do a small demonstration. Ready, Ganesh? Go for a bear hug. Okay. All right. Now see the position, how she held, right? And she digs in the finger into the love handle and the squeeze lifts the body up. And now she make way for a groin shot. Let's see one more time. Position yourself. All right. Hold there. Hold there. Look at this. Right. And then go for the finish. And that's how simple, but it really effective, right? And it's a very simple technique you will not forget, and it's really fun. And you see the person go up like that when a little bit of pain is induced in them, and they release you completely, right? Please do like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.